after the excitement that was Wet and Wild, we went to see the man himself. And then we went to a wild breakfast party. Dream went hard.
It was all a dream, so you know, so we have to get beer vibes at world vibes.
Pull a shirt and my damn shorts. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road, we are rough.
That's man, how has Dream Weekend been going?
Hold on, let me put on my glasses.
Yes, how has it been
Mommy.
going?
Hi, Mom, I'm on TV. Yes, I'm at Dream Weekend. Yeah, we're at World Vibes. So, all the vibes.
It's been good. How's the vibes for you?
You know, honestly, I'm just reached. I look a hold up with the bus, but I'm here now, you know. I go on it, I'll come enjoy the vibes, you know. I'll kind of perform, so I look forward to it.
Dream Weekend, we're ready.
The entire Dream Weekend been awesome so far.
Archiplex, how has your World Vibes experience been this year?
It was great. It's been wonderful, you understand me? I said the crowd came out, everybody come out and everybody come out anticipating a great show. The selectors have been delivering, you understand? A lot of people did say Dream never go pack this year, but as you can see, based on the crowd, the people them come out from all walks of life. I book up somebody from one place on name Qatar. I don't know what party name. I don't know what party name so, but afar.
So you know you're in a high class, we'll see them in here, so. I'll have a job, we'll see them in here, so. Will, let's see that deck. All right then, we are the money. Like broke life, never know. Live all about the money. Like say I'm an evil road. Voluntary service, that cannot be president. Every dollar have a picture of me. All right then, wanna sing the man? No money then.
It up, man. Everything but Dream Weekend up.
Everybody speak, and we are not listening to them. All of the gen of them, no, that's it. If you don't touch me too, he ain't gonna listen to them. What time I never do, nobody girl before, things like that enough, yo. They never tell enough. Trouble, yeah. Somebody good tell us, say so. We should give yes and now we are going to. I dream. But I'm here to let myself do no man, I mean, you don't know what we are. Just what you told about some is my brother, man, no make we have to do this in front of. Yo, when I do interviews, so the answer to everything get from me, they find Dream Weekend. But we push out the words of inspiration. Get the time number one, let them know say. We are not listening. What are these gen of them? No, we're not sitting. Young guns! People who can call that talk about ashes left. One round done. See them all for them out here, pay close, who be them? How the fucking number one, don't pretend. Pull up in a people, yeah, boy, you're not be them. All along in now, feel real white, for them to say we clean. Not even one speak like dirt in a bitty. Not this now, no people, no in a bitty. And you tell me no whatever is an conspiracy. Everything I real life, we don't live in my dream. Everybody know what I dream, they call it steam. No life and rock, that could have never be me. We never get money, pull up, Everybody say pull up! try them baby. Who have a project who have them men man up for me. The money the fame no mean nothing to me. If you a free one on the brain of them now. Baby. Go on, everybody sing this. They walk around after all. Doctor just a wait upon it. Full rifle in upon it. Him drive up, pull up on foot, boy spread out like. Dead a road like. Yeah, we a go on, we a go on. This is something that you must be mad. That's a good dumb man. Who we don't like, you don't like. Who you are, you are. When you have to be love, you know what that is to be. When you fuck with his family, just try to fuck me. I'm for cutting my dog, them men bad enough for me. The money the game for me.
World of Vibes here, closing out with Alkaline on stage. Dream, trust me, larger than life.